Do you want to recover your lost or forgotten TikTok account ID like the username or password on iPhone or Android? Hi there, this is Steve, and here is how you can recover your forgotten TikTok account. So let's get started. Open the App Store or Play Store. Install Google app. Open this up. Now type google.com. Tap Sign In. Make sure that you are connected with your Google account. Tap Manage your Google account. Swipe to Security. Scroll down. Tap Password Manager. Scroll down and find out TikTok. Tap on it. After that, this will ask you to enter your password. Now this will reveal your account username and password, and that's how you can recover your lost or forgotten TikTok account username and password. Now you can copy the credential and you can log in with your TikTok account. Please ask me in the comment section if you still have anything to ask. Thanks for watching.